In 1923, as architect Bertram Goodhue was drawing up plans for the Los Angeles Public Library, Caltech collaborated with Southern California Edison Company to build another of his buildings, the High Voltage Research Laboratory. Edison was increasing the voltage of their transmission lines in order to get electricity from the Hoover Dam, which they were just planning, to Los Angeles. They needed a lab in which to test their high voltage equipment, and Caltech wanted to invest in electrical engineering and physics.
As was Goodhue's preference in most of his buildings, he called upon his colleague and favorite architectural sculptor, Lee Lowry, to embellish its exterior. The windowless building would need a bold statement to an otherwise very severe facade. To characterize the building's purpose and accent its architecture, Lowry created an Art Deco-styled frieze over the main entrance, depicting two figures gripping a cable and creating a powerful electrical discharge.
Caltech professor Royal Sorensen invented the cascade transformer, which stepped up electricity from one voltage to another. The one in high volts weighed 88 tons and produced 1,000,000 volts of electricity, making the facility the highest voltage lab in the United States. A surge generator produced artificial lightning. Sorensen regularly gave public demonstrations. Caltech chemist John Roberts later recalled,
"It looked like Frankenstein's laboratory for sure. And great big rings, kind of mushroom rings, they used to shoot sparks off of."
Physicist Charles Lauritsen also produced the first 1,000,000-volt X-rays in the lab, and used them for radiation therapy of cancer patients. His students used its high energy for nuclear physics, taking apart atoms.
In 1959, Caltech converted the lab into a more conventional building, with windows and 5 floors of space rather than a single large room. Lowry's frieze was lost to architectural history. Nevertheless, many of his sculptures have survived elsewhere, including locally at Los Angeles Central Public Library.
If you're interested in more early Caltech history, watch our Becoming Caltech presentations on YouTube. When conditions allow, visit our exhibition on campus. And please email us if you have any questions about any part of Caltech's history.